How you feeling?
Feeling great.
Great?
I feel like I just went on drugs.
Welcome to the Brap life. Let's make sure this is working. The first thing you got to check is you got to make sure your helmet's on there tight. How's that feel? Good? All right, let's send it. Good?
Yeah. Much better. That was amazing. Ooh, she bumpy. Oh my god. Wait until my mom sees me on a motorcycle. Can you hear me? I was saying I don't think my mom even knows I'm on a motorcycle.
Your mom what?
I don't even think my mom knows I'm on a motorcycle.
She's gonna find out.
It's like I'm going on multiple roller coasters at once. It's gonna send it.
You ready?
Nope. Oh my god!
I go 0 to the speed limit real quick. It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police.
Hey.
Hi, cutie.
How you doing?
How you doing? I'm doing great. Oh, great, another red light. Great. Woo! Don't kill me, please. Thank you. Thank you for stopping.
Ooh. I felt that one. I just twerked for everyone in the behind us.
I can't hear you.
Oh, come on. New York drivers. You're in Jersey now.
What's that?
These New York drivers are in Jersey now. They gotta start driving like New Jerseyans.
I can't hear you.
You'll hear me back on editing. Never knew a motorcycle would be so calm and peaceful. They're so damn loud when you're not on it.
Alright, you hop off.
Wow.
Well,
Wow.
yeah, hop off. We'll go for a little hike. How you feeling?
Feeling great.
Great?
I feel like I just went on drugs.
Welcome to the Brap life.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
See the light?
Whoa.
1, 2, 3. That's my baby. My Brap queen. Alright, let's send it.
I feel like I'm in a race behind us.
What?
They want a race behind us.
What's behind you?
They want a race behind us. What's behind us?
Look behind us? Oh, he wants to race.
Oh, the po-po. Pop a wheelie for the po-po. Oh, fire department. Oops. Mustang. Oh, yeah? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Oh.
You good?
How are you?
Good. Never been better. Hey guys, it's your boy, Brap Genius, back at it again with another video.
Yeah.
Oh, my back, babe! Wait!
What's up?
My bag is open!
What?
My bag! It's open!
You lost your bag?
No, I got my bag, but it's open.
Wait, I can't hear you.
Slow down. Stop.
Go back?
Stop.
You okay?
I didn't realize my bag was open.
Your stuff still in there?
Yeah, the most important thing is my phone.
Sorry, I was sending it too fast.
Hi Mom, sorry not sorry. I'm just looking at our shadow.
What's that?
Our shadow. Huh?
Welcome to drugs.
Thank you, I truly appreciate it.
That'll do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day as always. This is my beautiful girlfriend Leah. Peace.